Hi, my name is Dr. Jim Sandberg. 5 years ago, I was introduced to a product called Pro Argi-9. And I was very interested about the results that some people are getting with this product. And before I introduced it to my patients, I wanted to do a little research. And I was blown away by the science behind this product. The discovery of nitric oxide was such a big discovery that it actually won the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 1998. Now, that's the biggest award in the world that year in health and medicine. There's also a website called PubMed.gov. Now, this is where all medical research is classified. There's over 200,000 articles related to this. There's also a great book from Louis Ignarro, one of the scientists that discovered nitric oxide. He wrote a book called No More Heart Disease. There's another book from John Cook, who is head of vascular research at Stanford University. He wrote a book called The Cardiovascular Cure. Now, knowing this and knowing cardiovascular disease is the number one killer, I'm like, I got to dive into this a little bit more. So what nitric oxide is, it's a signaling mechanism. And one of the main signals that it does is this is the molecule that causes your arteries to open up and dilate. So you're getting proper blood flow. And in my opinion, 99.99% of the population is not getting enough nitric oxide and not getting enough proper blood flow. And we see a lot of problems arising from that. Hypertension, high cholesterol, high triglycerides, adult onset diabetes. We're getting plaque in the system. And not a lot of other, what we consider non-cardiovascular issues, neuropathy, erectile dysfunction, liver function, autoimmune. Well, when you start supplementing with these products, we see dramatic results. Personally, I have never had a patient that I put on for hypertension on Pro Argi-9 that has not got a major decrease in their blood pressure. I've seen amazing results on doing another blood panel after 2 or 3 months on patients, where I see the biomarkers for diabetes, cholesterol, triglycerides starting to normalize. One of the things that really amazed me was there was a study done on this product at an institute called the High Desert Heart Institute in California. And they did a study with Pro Argi-9, and they actually took 35 of their worst patients. Now, these are considered all congestive heart rate failure patients. A lot of them also had a lot of other issues, pulmonary hypertension, renal failure. I believe a couple of those patients were also scheduled to get their feet or legs amputated due to diabetes complications. And they considered these patients medically managed to the maximum. There really wasn't much more to do. And a few of these patients did not have a very bright future. And they put them on Pro Argi-9. And literally 90 days, they did a number of different tests on each patient. On every single patient, every score improved, and major changes in their output. Many of these people will tell you that they've never felt this much energy in 20 or 30 years. So the science behind this product and what it does for so many conditions, again, neuropathy, erectile dysfunction, all kinds of different issues arise from not having enough nitric oxide. One of the great things about this is this product is in the physician's desk reference. For a lot of doctors, that's very important because that's the Bible that all doctors know that any drug that's going to be prescribed in the world is in there. Well, Pro Argi-9 is in the PDR. This product has a 120-day unconditional money-back guarantee. So I feel real good when I'm recommending this to a patient that has high blood pressure, diabetes, or many of these other issues. It's risk-free for them to try. And what's really, really important for me also is the manufacturing of Pro Argi-9. I've been involved with nutrition for over 30 years. That's my degree. I got my initial BS was in nutrition in 1983. And there's a lot of supplements that aren't made with the highest quality. I believe that 87% of all supplement makers don't even make their own supplements, and they sub it out. And I believe they base it off of cost a lot of times. Why I got a chance to tour the manufacturing facility at Synergy, I've actually done it 3 or 4 times. No one does what these people do. They spend over $2 million a year on quality control testing. They have over 30 scientists, medical doctors, PhDs, that are clinically testing these products for efficiency, quality. You don't see that anywhere. A few years ago, they spent millions of dollars to set up a research center called the Hughes Research Center. Well, they actually do clinical studies on their product. I've never seen that anywhere in the world with nutritional supplements. So it's the highest quality supplement that helps with so many different conditions for so many different people. I really recommend that you take a look at the information and give it a try.